What if one day all of Earth's land disappeared beneath a never-ending ocean? No mountains, no cities, just water, stretching in every direction. Welcome to Beyond Reality, where we explore the possibilities of science and imagination. Today's question, what if Earth became a water world? Let's begin with what we already know. If all the ice at Earth's poles melted, global sea levels would rise by over 70 meters. That alone would be enough to flood most coastal cities, including New York, Tokyo, and London. But if we're imagining a complete water world, where no land remains visible, we'd need much more water. So where could it come from? One possibility is that massive volcanic activity could release water trapped deep inside the Earth's mantle. Another scenario might involve a giant, ice-rich asteroid colliding with Earth, adding huge amounts of water to the surface. In either case, the result would be dramatic. No continents, only a few scattered islands, if any, remaining above sea level. Landmarks like the Himalayas would vanish beneath the waves. Deserts like the Sahara would become ocean floors. Cities and forests would be submerged, forming a sunken world below the surface. In a world like this, humanity would need to adapt quickly. Floating cities could become our new homes. Underwater structures and submarines would be essential for living and working. Farming on land would no longer be possible. Instead, we'd rely on hydroponic systems, algae cultivation, and aquaculture to produce food. Ironically, we'd also need desalination plants to turn salt water into something we can drink. As for animals, most land species wouldn't survive, but marine life would likely thrive, evolving to fill new niches in a changed ecosystem. A planet-wide ocean would also change the climate. We'd see higher humidity and warmer average temperatures. And with no land to break their path, storms, especially hurricanes, could become larger and longer lasting. Some areas might experience constant rainfall, while others might go without it for weeks. Society would change too. With traditional borders gone, people might live in mobile sea-based communities or networks of floating platforms. New industries would emerge, focusing on ocean farming, deep-sea mining, marine research, and underwater construction. Over time, we might even discover new marine species, or rediscover parts of history buried beneath the ocean. A water-covered Earth would be a very different world, beautiful in its own way, but also a powerful reminder of how much our environment shapes human life. At Beyond Reality, we explore ideas like this not just for curiosity, but to understand how real-world science connects to our future. If you found this scenario interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.